and the next thing is an artifact, right? So an artifact is the output of your any output of your CI/CD process, right? It might be your, as I said, in a build, you have an output zip file or a DLL or a jar file or a Python file, right? That's an artifact. An artifact is something that can be picked up and deployed to a server to test your application. An artifact can also be, we talked about unit testing, right? Unit testing report can be an artifact, which can be shared to the team saying that this is the code coverage of your commit or of your application. So any output of a CI/CD which needs to be shared to another process or a team or anybody, that becomes an artifact which can be saved as an artifact and used in the further DevOps process.